How to reach your healthy weight goals through understanding nutrition and your body's processes. Having a healthy weight is a goal many of us strive for. To reach this goal, it is important to understand what influences our body weight. In this lecture, we will explore two main factors that have an impact on our body weight: nutrition and our body's own processes and movement. We will look at the chemical composition of food, why it is important to be aware of our food intake, and the impact of carbohydrates on our blood sugar level. Additionally, we will discuss the significance of proteins, fats and water for our body. Part 1. Nutrition. The amount of energy we consume as well as the amount of energy our body uses both have an influence on our body weight. If we consume more energy than we use, we will gain weight. To know what food contains how much energy, we could track the energy intake with calorie counting. However, this can be quite difficult in everyday life. Therefore, a simpler approach is to write down everything we eat in detail, including drinks like sodas. This should be done for a few days or even longer. By writing down everything we eat, we become more conscious about our eating habits. Part 2. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy for our body and are divided into 4 categories, depending on the length of their molecule chains. The shortest chain is called simple sugar and the longest is complex sugar. Simple sugar can be found in sweets, fruits or sweet drinks. Complex sugar is found in potatoes, rice or wholemeal. Whenever we consume food, our blood sugar level rises. Our body then regulates the blood sugar level with the help of the hormone insulin, which is like a key that opens the muscle and fat cells and puts the sugar into it. If we consume food with the shortest chains, the blood sugar level rises quickly and a lot of insulin is produced. This leads to a very low blood sugar level. This can lead to food cravings, concentration problems and a lack of energy. Part 3. Fats. Fats have a bad reputation but are important for our body. It is important to know the difference between saturated and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats can be found in milk, pastries, chips and sweets. They should be consumed in moderation. Unsaturated fats, in particular omega-3, should be consumed more. Omega-3 is found in fish, plant-based products and certain oils, such as walnut oil. According to the German Nutrition Society, it is recommended to use fats consciously and focus on unsaturated fats. Part 4. Proteins. Protein is often underestimated, but it is essential for our body. It can be found in milk products, legumes, eggs and meat. There is no clear answer to the question of how many meals one should have per day. There are good and bad arguments for both sides and it is up to the individual to decide when and how to distribute the meals throughout the day. Part 5. Water. Water is often underestimated, but it is essential for the smooth functioning of our body. Our body consists of 50 to 60% water. Water serves as a transport medium for metabolic products, as a solvent in the digestive tract and as a building block for cartilage, tendons and discs. It is recommended to consume 1.5 to 2 liters of liquid per day. Water or unsweetened tea are preferable to cola or other sugary drinks. Dehydration can manifest itself as hunger. Therefore, a glass of water can also help to reduce hunger. We have discussed various aspects of nutrition and how it can influence our body weight. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins and water are important constituents of our food. It is important to be aware of the chemical composition of food and how it can affect our body. Furthermore, the right amount of meals and the right type of fat should be taken into consideration. Remember to keep your eating habits in mind and try to reduce or replace certain food. You may already notice after a short time that your food cravings or hunger in general are not as strong as before. However, habits also play an important role and the bag of chips on the sofa should be considered. We wish you good luck with conscious eating. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.